guys, my name's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, basically what we do is make different kind of snack ideas and healthy meal ideas. Today I thought I'd make another snack idea. So it's just a quick and easy recipe today that I'm going to make. Basically it's just 2 bananas, some oats and other fillings you can put in. Today I'm going to put in some carrots, some almonds, some cinnamon and some vanilla to make it tasty as well. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. So first I'm going to mash up 2 bananas. You want 2 very ripe bananas. And I'm also going to put in 1 3/4 cups of oats in, and I'm going to mix them together. Okay, so I've done my basic mixture and now I'm just going to put my fillings in. So what I thought I'd do today is put 1 grated carrot in. So I've got to grate that. I'm also going to put some almonds in, so I'm going to chop them up roughly. And then I'm also going to put some vanilla essence in and some cinnamon for taste as well. So let's get straight into it. Finished putting the cookies together and now we're ready to put them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll check in with you guys when they're done. So I've just taken the cookies out of the oven and let them cool down for about 5 minutes. I had them in there for about 17 minutes, something like that, and they're looking so good now. and they're like the perfect size as well. So that's super quick and easy recipe, guys. I like it because basically it's just oats, banana as the two base ingredients, and you can just put anything else that you want in there. It's a great way to get your kids to eat any veggies or increase your veggie intake for the day as well. You can put carrots, or you can even put zucchini in there, or pumpkins, or any other veggies that you can think of. Hope you guys liked today's video. Please let me know if you guys make it. Please let me know how it goes for you guys as well, or any other toppings that you'd put in yours as well. And let me know of any other recipe ideas that you'd like me to make as well. And yeah, so please feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps, it really supports my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.